Good afternoon, and I'd like to welcome you today to a short presentation on getting you out of paying more than your fair share in taxes. Today we're going to show you how to procrastination-proof your expense tracking. That's right, we all do it. Whether it's our mileage log, receipts, tracking our medical bills, or any other expenses that we can legally write off being self-employed. And then at the end of the year, we stutter and stammer and wonder why we're paying more than our fair share. No more. As of today, you can put a stop to that. Introducing iLA's Tax Shield. iLA's Tax Shield puts you ahead of the game. iLA is the only company in this arena offering this for sale. The average user saves over $6,000 a year, and that is over the last 5 years of business owners using this product. Tracking. iLA Tax Shield tracks everything from wages, contractors, office administration, advertising, promotions, insurance, interest, legal and professional fees, supplies, rent, lease, repairs, maintenance, office expenses, medical, phones, and yes, that ever-elusive mileage and auto expense deduction. Things that every single one of us can legally deduct as business owners and usually don't because we fail to have the correct documentation. Now, at the push of a button, you have that documentation in hand at the end of the year. And it's just $9.95 a month, so it's affordable, and that $9.95 a month is tax deductible. Let's take a look at the dashboard. When you log in, whether online or on your phone, you have a dashboard that allows you to do anything you want. Once you set it up, it takes about 15-20 minutes. The dashboard gives you a snapshot of where you want to go and what you want to do. The Income tab extracts all your income from the various sources that you have it taking it from, whether it's your bank accounts, whether it's PayPal, whether it's an e-wallet, whatever it is, it will extract that. Expenses. It categorizes and subcategorizes every business expense you have. Now, it provides you with basic categories, and if you're like me, you like to separate out businesses or put subcategories for each business, you can do that. Your mileage log. Every single one of us knows that we don't always write down our starting, our ending mileage, where we went, what we went for, etc., etc. The push of a button runs in the background on your phone, uses GPS, and gives you your mileage from point A to point B and back to point A again. And then it allows you to put notes or anything else you want in there for what that mileage was for. An activity calendar, where you can track all your business meetings and travel schedule as further documented proof of where you went and what you did. Your reports page, where you have the ability to pull up a report on any aspect of your business and see where your business sits, so that you can pay a little bit more attention to what needs attention. The benefits of the Tax Shield. Tracks multiple businesses. Has the ability to use subcategories. Pulls info from your credit cards, bank accounts, loans, payroll, and much, much more. It's available online as well as on your smartphone. Now, you do have to have a smartphone to track your mileage. It saves you thousands in accountant fees. You can make money by referring others. Welcome to our iLA overview. The apps that pay in oh so many ways. My name is Ruth Main, and I'm an independent associate with iLiving app. iLA is a home-based business. This allows you to profit from 3 separate billion-dollar industries. In fact, many of you probably already know that half of all businesses are now home-based. Over 26 million people in the USA alone are unemployed or underemployed, and they're now looking at home-based business as their plan A, no longer their plan B. Home-based business has over 91 million sellers worldwide. This is the 2012 stats according to the WFDSA. Home-based business allows you to work around any schedule you may have, whether you work full-time, part-time, 2 jobs, stay-at-home parent, soccer with the kids, music lessons, other sports, etc., etc. It does not matter. You have the ability to work around any schedule. More millionaires come from this industry than any other. Chances are You are not going to become a millionaire working for somebody else. In fact, my youngest daughter said to me the other day, she said, "Mom, it's funny how many young people do not understand that they will not become a millionaire working at a job for someone else." Mobile apps sold over $30 billion in 2012. That wasn't expected to happen until 2015. iLA is the only company to marry mobile apps, home-based business, and the content type, and we're global. iLA is the only company offering the tax shield through this venue for sale. Let's talk a little bit more about some of our other products besides the tax shield. iLA has products that most of you are already very familiar with. Mobile applications, as you saw with Tax Shield. Our main app just happens to revolve around personal and business development. Now, so many people say, "Yeah, but Ruth, I'm not into all that fluff. You know what? First of all, you probably should be. Second of all, it's okay. Anytime you educate yourself to do anything, whether it's learning to ride a bike, build a scooter, whether it's learning to build a house, bake a loaf of bread, or start a garden, that is personal development. Starting a home-based business is personal development. And iLA is here to offer you things that will support all of that. Things like goal setting, time management, health, leadership skills, financial management, creative arts, parenting, motivation, sales. The list is endless. And I mean endless. Our content is delivered right to your smartphone. You may not have a smartphone yet. Don't worry. You can always access it via the web. You also have access to our ever-expanding archive, which is available 24/7 to all of our members. You have the ability to hit the share button right from the home screen and invite others to take a look at iLA's personal development app and Tax Shield. The featured screen will instantly stream the latest video of the week to you. You having a bad day? Man, check out the video of the week. You can't help but feel better once you watch it. Our app is always free to download, and everyone has free access to the content of the week. And a lot of people will ask me, "Well, Ruth, why should we pay for it if we get it for free?" The free content is so appealing that it is going to make folks want to upgrade immediately to either a retail customer for just $6.95 a month or an associate for $9.95 a month. Why? Because they're gonna want to see more. With the two options above, you will have full access to all the content in the vault as well as the video of the week. And this allows you to be an iLA associate and also resell our Tax Shield. So why wouldn't you want to upgrade? Let's talk a little bit about iLA's commissions. iLA utilizes what is known as a forced expanding matrix. As people join, they fall into the next open position below you, their sponsor, creating a team where everyone contributes to driving the matrix. Because of this team effort, some of you may see what we call spillover. These are people that fall below you in your matrix that you may not have referred. You may not even know who they are. But yes, all of them contribute to your matrix pay. iLA also pays out what are known as matching bonuses as well as coded bonuses. These are both based on personal productivity. The coded bonuses will pay out on a weekly basis, and the other two commissions will pay out on a monthly basis. Let's take a look at what a matrix looks like. A 3x7 matrix starts with you. So we each start our own 3x7 matrix when we come in. We join and we fall into the first open position below our sponsor. It doesn't matter if it's on their first level or their 6th level or their 70th level. We are going to start our 3x7 matrix from there. 3x7 simply means that you have 3 people on your first position and you're paid 7 levels deep. Now in this instance, Bob, Sue, and Mary are on your first level. Bob, Sue, and Mary may have been introduced by you or by someone above you. Your second level will be Bob, Sue, and Mary's first level. That means they're each going to have 3 positions below them. That will be 9 positions on your second level. As you can see, each level compounds by 3. That's because each new person is starting their own 3x7 matrix. When you get to this point on your team where you have 12 people, whether referred by you or not, you are no longer paying for your app because your commissions are more than what your app costs you every month. Now, that is in conjunction with our personal development app. The iLA Tax Shield app is separate and apart from this. As each level fills, the matrix moves to the next level, filling left to right, top to bottom. You are paid 7 levels deep in matrix pay. Now, yes, your matrix is going to go much, much deeper than 7 levels. But for matrix pay only, you're paid 7 levels. We have other commissions that recognize the depth below 7 levels. Commissions. A full matrix might look something like this. Level 1, 3 people. Level 2, 9. Level 3, 27. Level 4, 81. Level 5, 243. Level 6, 729. Level 7, 2187. So a full matrix. Now you might be wondering, well, how many people does it take then to fill a whole matrix? It's 3,279 people. But remember, you don't need to know all of those. It's the people above you and the people below you and all their sphere of influence as well. If you think 3,279 people is a lot, as a team, we put in over 40,000 people in the first 3.5 weeks before pre-launch. And we're just getting started. If your matrix were to fill, you could earn over $2,500 per month. But wait a minute, that was before iLA's Tax Shield. Now you can make over $5,000 a month in matrix pay alone. iLA's expanding matrix. An expanding matrix means that you start with a 3x7 forced matrix. As this fills, you can qualify to open a 4th leg, a 5th leg, a 6th leg, and so on. It's still 7 levels deep, but what happens now is you actually have the ability to go in depth to infinity as well as in width to infinity. In conjunction with matrix pay, one can also earn through what is called matching bonuses. This is a fixed percentage that you will earn based on your personal's matrix pay and your ranking. This is paid to you from the company and is paid on each one of the people that you personally introduce, no matter where they fall in the matrix. If Sally introduced Bob and Bob earned $1,000 just in matrix pay, the company is now going to reward Sally for introducing and working with Bob. When Sally's gotten to the point that she has introduced 3 people to iLA, she now qualifies for a 10% matching bonus. Now Bob is just one of those 3. And having earned $1,000 in matrix pay, the company is going to reward Sally by giving her 10% based on what Bob did. So she earns an extra $100 for helping Bob out. But it gets better. When Sally gets to the point that she's helped just 6 people, she now doubles that to 20%, or based on what Bob did, $200. Now remember, she's got 5 other people that have done the same thing, so she's also earning 20% on those other 5 people's matrix pay as well. And when Sally gets to the place where she's introduced just 10 people to iLA, she now gets a 40% matching bonus. Now remember, she helped Bob get to $1,000 a month, so 40% of that is $400 extra over and above Sally's matrix pay. She's got at least 9 other people that have done the same thing, so she's earning 40% based on what their matrix pay is as well. There is no limit to the number of people you can personally introduce. Remember, width is profitability, depth is stability. Let's talk about our coded bonuses. This is upfront money. When you help just 3 people, you're now a managing associate. As such, you're going to be eligible to earn a $5 upfront bonus on the next 3 people that you sign up, and the next 3 people that they sign up, and the next 3 people that they sign up, to infinity. Take that to the next level and refer just 6 people. That's 3 more than you originally had, and now you're a senior associate. As such, you earn a $3 bonus on top of the $5 that you're already earning. So now you're making $8 to infinity on the next 4 people that you refer. and the next 4 that they refer, and they refer, and they refer, and so on and so forth to infinity. And the last step, finally make it to that executive level, where you have introduced just 10 people to iLA. At this level, you are getting paid a whopping $9 the very first month on every single new person that you bring in, and that they bring in, and that they bring in, and they bring in, and they bring in, to infinity. This creates a lot of upfront money, and this is paid weekly. Why should you choose iLA? iLA is the first to market, combining 3 separate billion-dollar industries: mobile apps, home-based business, and personal development. iLA is also the only company that is offering the tax shield through this kind of a venue. We're available 24/7, either from your phone or online. There's no large affiliate fee. It's just $9.95 a month, so it's affordable to the masses. It's not going to break your bank. You have the ability to earn an income even if you have a hard time sharing with others due to our forced matrix scenario. Why this team? We have a hands-on approach to team building. We understand and know how to build a profitable, strong, long-lasting team. Some of the best coaches, mentors, leaders, and top money earners from around the globe are on this team. We have lots of team support through newsletters, updates, webinars, conference calls, 3-way calls, and yes, live meetings and trainings. We have the ability to do webinars in other languages as well as local time zones for many countries around the world. We know how to help you succeed. In closing, iLA is a company that is poised at the right time and the right place for you to position yourself for greatness. All you have to do is step into that greatness. iLA offers you the chance to be mentored by the best of the best, world-renowned authors, speakers, coaches, and mentors. It's up to you to take action. We're holding back the baton, looking for you to catch us so that we can pull you along with us. Please get back to the person that introduced you to this webinar. Secure your position in history today. My quote for the day, by the infamous John Wayne: "Courage is being scared to death and saddling up anyway." Isn't that the truth? I'd like to thank you for joining our presentation today. It's always a pleasure. We are believing in great things for all of you, and we look forward to meeting you all soon. Thank you.